What a beautiful tree is it? Do you know it's made with newspaper? So create a recycled Christmas tree from newspaper. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Kreations. Do you want to learn to make one? Well, it's very easy and simple to make. I would love to show you step-by-step procedure. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates and hit the bell button for notifications. So my friends, are you ready? Let's start. For this you will be needing, if you want to know how to make tubes, do watch my video, link is in the description below. We will be needing few stars like this. To make this star, we need to take 2 tubes, take toothpick, apply glue at the tip and insert into one tube like this, and then at the another tip to apply glue and insert into another tube. Now you have a long tube. Now just bend it here little, measure it 10 centimeter and bend the tube like this. This way. Bend it at the end too. Now we have to adjust this way to make star. Now here, cut this extra, apply glue, paste it and attach cloth pin. Make few more with different sizes, 2 of each sizes. For more craft videos, watch my videos. Subscribe if you haven't and like this video too. Paint them with green acrylic color and apply glitter if you like. I made 2 of each sizes. So now you have to adjust. Paste them with hot glue. This way. Yeah, just paste it and you have to adjust. Now with the rest of the stars, repeat the same way and you have them with different sizes. Now we start making mini Christmas tree. Take 2 pairs of stars, adjust and paste them with hot glue. For decoration, I use red beads and pasted them with hot glue. You can use any beads with different colors. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And like this video too. Now at the end, I had these stars with me. And I decided to use this one. Yeah, it's ready. So dear friends, don't you think this Christmas tree is very beautiful and easy to make? If you make one, do share with me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give like and share this video with your friends, families. If you have any questions or any request for any specific craft, feel free to leave me a comment below. Thank you for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.